Hi everyone, I'm Sylvia and you're watching my channel Amara. Today I will do the unboxing of this playful and brilliant Vivid Journey Tarot. The creator is Jessica Allaire and she is a self-taught artist who likes to express herself with flowing lines and vivid colors. And she's very close to the nature and the flowing energies around her, which she captures in her art. So, this tarot has 78 cards and 192-page book. I will show you first. Maybe this is better. This is the box. Looks like this, and it's really sturdy with magnetic closure. Here is the back. Brilliant cards for a vibrant journey. Your inner guide knows what to do even when you feel confused or uncertain on the surface. With its lively colors and light-hearted look, the Vivid Journey Tarot helps you connect to your inner guide in a playful way. Tarot cards can represent your true self or an important person in your life. They can tell you about your secret desires or your unresolved fears. Whether you're reading for yourself or your friends, this is a perfect deck for understanding your intuitions and energies that influence our world. So this tarot is a welcoming approach to the traditional Rider-Waite-Smith imagery, and with its high energy illustrations and stylistic clarity, this deck is perfect for beginners and for those who want to focus on the main characters and symbols of the cards. And also the bright colors magnify the mood and emotional meaning of each card. You will see. Just let me open it. Okay, so the box is with magnetic closure, as you see. I like them very much. And this is inside. I don't know what is happened. Mine is a little bit like this, but maybe it's broken. This is the book. And what do we have here? A little bit about Jessica. Then we have introduction, tarot basics, major arcana, minor arcana, and conclusion. We have a spread here with 3 cards. And we have 2 pages for each card, with the imagery here, the colorful imagery. And for the minors is the same, about 2 pages. And at the end we have conclusion. Okay, so this is the book and it's really nice. It feels like a magazine. So let's open the cards. Okay, I will zoom. So if we take a standard tarot, you see they are almost the same size. Yes, a little bit shorter, as you see. So these are the bags. Very simple. And the cardstock is a little bit thin. This one is thicker. But it's not bad. It's, yeah, okay. It's spendy. Okay, so let's start. This is the full, and you see we have only the silhouette here of the dog and the girl. And you feel it's like a potential. There is potential. The Magician. Ouroboros, we have all of the suits, the elements, and it's faceless. The sign of the infinity is here also. You see they're written. This is the High Priestess. Here we have black and white columns and the moon and the triple moon. It looks a little bit like a man. I like this Empress. You see here instead of stars we have flowers and pomegranates. Then we have the Emperor in red, the sign of Aries, the Hierophant. We have just all the elements in there. The cards are very simple, but we have all of the signs. The Lovers, here we have the Angel, and this is more about self-love, which I like very much. Then we have the Chariot, and the horses are looking at each other, not facing right, straight. The Strength, they're also looking at each other. I like this card, really. Then we have the Hermit, it looks like the Magician. We have the Star here in his lantern. The Wheel of Fortune, it looks like the Fool from the beginning, you see? And her feet going down and up and down. The Justice. The Hanged Man, it looks like a Buddhist monk. The Death. You see her here a little like a heart. And now the symbols here. The Temperance. The Devil, they're skeletons. This is an interesting. The Tower. The Star. The Moon. The Moon is with closed eyes and the Sun is with open eyes. The Judgment. And the World. Then we go to the suits. Ace of Wands. See, very simple, but you get the meaning. Two of Wands. Three of Wands. Four of Wands, Five of Wands, also like silhouettes, and here we have our Fool. It looks like her, or she's all these figures. Six of Wands. By the way, in the book we have also the reversals. And the cards can be reversed. Yes. Okay. Seven of Wands. Then we have Eight of Wands. It's interesting how they're depicted. Like a tornado. Knight of Wands. You see the battle. His clothes are dirty. He's scratched. Ten of Wands. And here the colors are more yellow and red. Page of Wands. The salamander here. Here also, Knight of Wands. The Queen of Wands. The cat is yellow, not black. And the King of Wands. Then we go to the Ace of Cups. Here we have more blue colors. Two of Cups, only the silhouettes. The Three of Cups. The Four of Cups, she's like meditating. The Five of Cups. Again, silhouettes. Six of Cups. Then we have the Seven of Cups, again with the different things in the cups, different choices. Eight of Cups. It's interesting, the cups are here on the both sides of the card. Nine of Cups. Ten of Cups. Really nice. Page of Cups. We have the fish here. The Knight of Cups. Queen of Cups. It reminds me of the Little Mermaid. The King of Cups. And then we go to the swords. The Ace. You see here the colors are more yellow and violet. Two of Swords. And nobody's holding the swords, which is interesting. I like this yellow heart. The Four of Swords. The Five of Swords. Here this figure. Six of Swords. And here maybe the yellow color, it represents the mind, the thoughts. Seven of Swords. His expression, Eight of Swords. Then we have the Nine of Swords. The 10. The Page of Swords. The Knight. Here is our Queen of Swords. And the King. And the last suit, the Pentacles. Two of Pentacles, juggling, and the sign of infinity here. Three of Pentacles, so here we have younger and older people. Four of Pentacles, Five of Pentacles, Six of Pentacles, the Seven of Pentacles, we have here the Eight, Nine of Pentacles, this green here, interesting, okay. He has the same color. Ten of Pentacles, now we have the Page, the Knight, the Queen, and the King. You see that in this deck the colors are speaking very, very loudly to us. So this was the Vivid Journey Tarot, and if you like this video I will be glad if you give me a like or you subscribe to my channel. And if you want astro or tarot consultation, you can find my contacts below. Do you like this tarot? What do you think about it? Can you imagine working with it? Tell me. And thank you for being with me. Bye bye.